So across the street here is a fig tree, and the figs on the tree are currently fermenting because they're done. And these birds have just flown in and are going crazy right now, making all sorts of noise and attacking the fig tree, getting drunk off of it. The crows have been doing it, the squirrels have been doing it, the raccoons have been doing it. It's totally reminding me of the movie Animals Are Beautiful People. If you haven't seen that movie, you should totally check it out. It's a little bit hard to find, but it's totally possible to find, I think maybe on Amazon these days. But the birds are knocking the figs off, and the squirrels eat them down below on the ground as well. I'm not quite sure what kind of bird it is. But I feel like I'm in the jungle. The neighbor just let the dogs out, and that just sent all the birds out of the tree. That was pretty epic.